Welcome back. Harbor Freight, days of deal continuing, and the weekend deal that we're going to go over unofficially, but I'm pretty sure it'll be accurate. Let's get started. Day 4, again, only if your store's still open. You have the Viking today, 3400 peak amp pro portable car battery, jump starter, and power pack, $280, and 40% off all Hercules demo rotary and breaker hammers. 40%. Again, today only if your store's still open. And just here below, the days that you've missed. If you didn't get them, sorry you missed this. But day 5, this is tomorrow. We already went over this, but just a brief look at it again. 25% off all Atlas, Bauer, Portland, and Predator outdoor equipment, now in high definition resolution. Hurry, March 21st, in-store only while supplies last. We do have the fine print, but it doesn't say specifically what outdoor power equipment is, which is super annoying. It's obviously more than just these 4 things. But anyways, this one, most likely at one point tonight or tomorrow, it'll be a clickable link, and then we'll all be able to see exactly what outdoor power equipment Harbor Freight considers. But we digress. Move past the missed deals. This is in the future. Allegedly, we've already missed deal of the day 4. And here we have deal 6. Deal 6 Predator, $379.99. $220 off for the Predator 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology. Multiple items listed and shown. 72891 California only. Let's take a look. Here we have this beauty of a thing. It is listed at $600. Super quiet inverter generator, CO secure technology, 2000 watts, super quiet. Perfect for outdoor recreation and camping and tailgating. Lightweight, compliant generator. There's the EPA version and there's the CARB version. In store only. And if we can do the math real quick, it's $379. $379.99. Now there's sales on generators, but let's see what type of sale this is, because they're not giving us the percentage. Sometimes makes it harder for my brain to understand. So $379.99 divided by $599.99 gives us the percent of ratio of the cost to original price. So subtracting away, we get the percentage off. 36% off, more than a third of the percent off. That's huge for generators. I don't think I've seen generators be discounted that much. Maybe they have, I don't think so. 37% effectively, almost 40%. We're moving up. 37% effectively, if we're rounding up. 37% off of $599 for this generator. That's a steal of a deal, if you ask me. A steal of a deal. Super quiet, reliable, extra long runtime, up to 12 hours. Pure sine wave inverter, lightweight, only 49 pounds. If you're big and strong, recoil start, 2-pin, 12-volt, 8-amp DC outlet, parallel design to connect it to other generators, fuel gauge, lightweight, duplex outlet, DC outlet. Ideal uses, camping, tailgating, job site, RV, emergency. What can you power? Heaters, fans, refrigerators, electronics, inflator pump, lights, between 50 and 1500 watts. Remember, the deal's 36% off, 37% off for the 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology. The lowest price it's been is $499.99, and it's now down to $379.99. So $110 cheaper than the lowest price that it's been. So that's definitely a super great deal. And that's the deal of the day 6. That's Saturday's deal. $322 tomorrow again is the outdoor power equipment. Now moving towards the weekend deal. So if you are out there tomorrow to get some outdoor power equipment, or if you're out there Saturday to get the Predator generator, or if you're just out there in general, they're having a free tool giveaway. I don't have the add up because it's not out yet, but I've seen it leaked on a couple different sites. So I just have them up and we're going to go over them. This was on Facebook and I saw it on a leak on Reddit. They have the Hercules 3-piece impact rated socket adapter set. We have the Franklin 72-inch by 8-inch moving blanket, 40 square feet. Looks like it's navy blue. And then tough to tell, but these are the Hallmaster ratcheting set 4-piece. So these are going to be the classic. If you're an ITC member, these will be an option, one free item with any purchase. So you can always get the pencil. That's like 69 cents. Or you can get the deals that you're going in for the deals of the day. So let's just take a closer look at these and see what their value is. The free tools that they're going to give out. These were considered premium tools. I mean, I don't know how premium they are, but I'm not complaining because they're different than what they normally do. I expected to see some zip ties or some batteries or a mini pick set. But here we have the Franklin 72-inch, 80-inch moving blanket. It's $9 value. And moving blankets are pretty nice. If you don't have them, maybe you have plenty. But it is a different option. So that you can get for free if you're an ITC member, or if you're non-ITC, if you make a purchase of $25 or more, you get to choose one of these free items. The other item, the Hercules Impact Rated Hex Shank Socket Driver Set 3-piece, also $8.99. Quickly remove and install lag bolts or hex fasteners with your power drill. Pretty solid. I'm a fan of Hercules. But solid choice for your free tool, or if you're going Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you'll be able to get one of these tools if you're making 3 separate purchases. And the other option you have is the Hallmaster 400-pound capacity 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie downs 4-pack, $12.99 value. As far as I could tell, these were the ratcheting tie downs that were going to be given away. So that being said, those are the deals of the day. That's the weekend deal. Please consider liking and subscribing if you find this helpful. And as soon as I have the next deal of the day, and as soon as I have other deals, I'll send them your way.